Imagine two people, same city, same salary, same age, same job, and after 40 years, one retires with over $1 million while the other is still worried about paying bills. Here's the strange part. Neither person started a business, neither won the lottery, and neither became a stock market genius. The difference between them wasn't thousands of dollars. It was less than the cost of lunch each day. And the decision that changed everything happened so quietly that neither of them noticed it. Today, we're going to follow both lives side by side, because by the end of this video, you'll realize that wealth is rarely built through big decisions. It's built through tiny decisions repeated thousands of times. Meet Jake and Ryan. They're both 23 years old and just starting their careers. Every morning they stop at the same coffee shop. A coffee, a breakfast sandwich, maybe a snack. Nothing excessive. Around $12 a day. Most people wouldn't think twice about spending that amount. Why would they? It's only $12. But that's exactly where the trap begins. When an expense feels small enough, our brains stop paying attention to it. $12 doesn't feel like a financial decision. It feels like background noise. Yet wealth isn't usually destroyed by giant purchases. It's quietly drained away by small expenses repeated over and over again until years pass and nobody notices where the money went. $12 isn't much until you repeat it for years. One day Ryan decides to try something different. Not because he's smarter, not because he's rich, simply because he's curious. Instead of spending that money every morning, he sets up an automatic investment into a simple index fund. No stock picking, no crypto trading, no complicated strategy. Just a small amount invested consistently. At first, it feels pointless. The account barely grows. His friends seem to be making faster money with risky investments. Social media is filled with people showing huge gains overnight. Ryan looks boring. And being boring is difficult because humans naturally crave excitement. We want quick results. We want immediate rewards. But investing doesn't work that way. Boring today, powerful tomorrow. This is where most people fail. Not because they don't earn enough money, because they don't have enough patience. Modern life is designed around speed, fast food, fast delivery, fast entertainment, fast success stories. But wealth operates on an entirely different timeline. The market doesn't reward excitement. It rewards consistency. And consistency isn't exciting. Nobody brags about investing $12. Nobody posts viral videos about staying patient for 20 years. Yet while everyone else is chasing shortcuts, time quietly rewards the people who simply stay invested. Then something remarkable happens. After enough years pass, the money starts working harder than the person. In the beginning, Ryan's contributions build the account. Later, the account begins building itself. This is the stage most people never reach because they quit too early. Imagine planting a tree. For years, it looks small and unimpressive. Then one day, it's taller than the house beside it. Nothing magical happened overnight. Growth simply compounded over time. Money behaves the same way. The first decade feels slow. The second decade feels surprising. The third decade feels unbelievable. Meanwhile, Jake continues living normally. He isn't irresponsible. He isn't reckless. He simply does what most people do. Small purchases, small conveniences, small upgrades. Nothing feels dangerous. And that's exactly why it works against him. The most expensive financial mistakes rarely look expensive in the moment. They look harmless. By retirement age, Jake realizes the issue was never a single coffee or a single lunch. It was thousands of repeated decisions moving him in a direction he never intentionally chose. Most people believe wealth comes from finding the perfect investment. It doesn't. Wealth is usually the result of ordinary actions repeated for an extraordinary amount of time. You don't need to predict the next big stock. You don't need to become rich overnight. You don't need luck. You only need to decide whether today's money belongs to the present version of you or the future version of you. Every dollar has a job. Every purchase is a vote. Every decision shapes your future. Somewhere tonight, someone will spend $10 and forget about it tomorrow. Someone else will invest $10 and forget about it too. Both decisions will feel exactly the same today. But 40 years from now, the results won't. And that's how wealth is really built. Not through one life-changing moment, but through thousands of moments that never felt important at all.